Hi everyone, this is Ravikant Miriyala. Yeah, there is one offer from an academy. Yeah, if this is applicable for CA Inter and plus courses plus iconic subscription. Yeah, if you take 12 month subscription, either for plus course or iconic subscription, you are going to get 2 months extra subscription if you subscribe before 23rd September, that is tomorrow. Okay, and if you take 18-month subscription, that is for CA intermediate, then you're going to get 3 months extra subscription. So 18 plus 3, 21 number of months you will be able to watch all the Unacademy lectures of all of our teachers. Right. And if you take 24-month subscription also, yes, 3 months additional, that is 27 months of subscription will be available. 3 months additional subscription is you're going to get free. And when you're going to subscribe it, when you wanted to enjoy this offer, please use the code YESHAS. YESHAS. Yeah, remember this offer is going to be expired by September 23rd. And we have one more small announcement, my dear. This is Excel with Yashas Academy. We have started already on August 18th, CA Intermediate Group 1. This is 6 hours daily class, right? Morning 7 to evening 2 o'clock, and it is for CA Intermediate Group 1. We will be completing the course in 3.5 months maximum, and this we are targeting for May month, May 2023 examination. Yeah, obviously after this completion of group 1, we will be starting group 2 also. These are all our faculty. Law is going to be dealt by Karthik sir. Accountancy is going to be dealt by Mayur sir and myself and Rajavardhan sir. Yeah, I will be taking care of accounting standards. Vijara sir will be taking care of taxation, and casting will be Dharanjay sir. Yeah, and the schedule is like this, my dear. Yeah, batch highlights are, yes, obviously India's best educators, and 600 hours of live lectures will be there. Revision practicing lessons are going to be given, and number of quizzes also are going to be shared to the students so that they can revise their subject, and unlimited recorded classes, as you are well aware of it. Yeah, this is about our educators, my dear. Yes, batch we are starting in the month of August. By October we will be covering everything 100%. Yeah, November you can practice RTP, MTP and other quizzes as well, so that your the quick revision of the subject will be taking place. Yeah, these, as you are well aware about plus features and iconic features. Iconic features you will be having what is that? Mentoringship is something new which will be not available in this normal. Okay, plus features, and printed study material is going to be available, doubt solving, and in addition to that, the best point is like evaluated test series. Yeah, you will be able to write, I mean, 24 examinations, that is per subject 3 examinations you will be able to write it. And that is like when you are done with 30% of syllabus, 60% of syllabus, 100% of syllabus, 111 test will be conducted. People will be evaluating and will be coming back with suggestions, a valid suggestion which are suitable depending upon your performance. Okay, that's, I feel like, very helpful to you. There will be daily scholarship program, my dear, that you try to attempt and get good uh, discount on your subscription as well. Yes, live mentoringship which you spoke, these are the subscriptions, that is 24 months, 18 months, 12 months, 6 months, 4 months subscriptions are available for plus course as well as iconic course. Because iconic has some premium advantages, then obviously fees also will be more, my dear. Accelerate, yes, save up to 49 percentage. Yes, these are the prices, yeah, which is going to be increased very soon. That's why you can utilize this, my dear friend. Yeah, let us look at like small tips. Yeah, these are all small tips only, but these are all very relevant for your examination, my dear. Yeah, see, how to score maximum marks from accounting standards, or it can be even for Ind AS. Yeah, and students do some routine mistakes, from where, I mean, say if they are eligible for 4 marks, but they will be getting only 3 marks. The only reason, because of some small errors. It's not that they don't know this, but they know it, but these errors are happening. Yeah, first and foremost thing which you need to remember, that you have to write the accounting standard number and name. Yeah, if you say this is accounting standard 2, yes, you should write AS2 inventories. Yeah, that you don't forget. I mean, because if you do not write the standard number and name, you may lose maybe half mark or something like that. Sometimes paper setter may allocate some number of marks even for that. Yeah, but it need not be in every attempt, but it is possible. So that's why be careful. Anyhow, you know it, then why can't you write it? And the examination questions are intelligently drafted, like they will not mention the standard number. They will simply say, yeah, answer based on the relevant accounting standard. So that's why they are expecting the standard number from you. That is the first and simple point, relevant point to you. The next thing what I say, this is the common mistake. This is not only with respect to accounting standard, this is with respect to even other questions. Yeah, you read the question very, very, very carefully, understand the question and requirement. What is that? I mean, examiner is expecting from you. Yeah, because we have seen some question papers and answer papers saying that in the question paper we ask journal entries, student will write ledger. Yeah, what does it what does it mean? Am I correct? Now, am I supposed to post it back? Right. Sometimes they will ask, yeah, ledger accounts, but student will write journal entries. Yeah, right. With respect to accounting standards, sometimes they will ask you journal entries. You have to give the journal entry only. Yeah, right. Sometimes ledger accounts also they will ask. Yes. Sometimes they just wanted the calculation information. Right. That's why you read the question very, very, very carefully. Don't miss it. Right. If you don't read it carefully, obviously you will be losing some marks, because what we correct. Right. Again, students do write sometimes additional points. My dear, if I am asking 1, 2, 3 right information, if you give fourth information, you will not get half mark also extra. And examiner does not have right to give extra marks, my dear. That's it. So whatever we ask, you have to answer only that. Please remember, this is crucial. Students do unknowingly the errors, right? Yeah. The next important point, what do I say? Decide the points which you wanted to draft and link with one to another accounting standards, relevant accounting standards. Got it? Right. And again, I wanted to just go to first point once again. Yeah, sometime if you are not very confident about accounting standard numbers, or I am not sure. If you are not sure, better keep quiet. Correct, na? Right. You say as per the applicable accounting standard, something diplomatically try to cover it up if you really don't know. That is better than writing a wrong accounting standard number. Correct. Now, if I in the place of accounting standard 4, if I write accounting standard 5, but my point, in the place of accounting standard 4, if I write accounting standard 5, right, you yourself are telling to the examiner that I don't know both accounting standard 4 and accounting standard 5. You're lucky, there is no negative mark, you're saved. Getting my point? So if you don't know the number exactly, better be quiet. Correct now. If you write wrong, that may give a negative impression. That's obviously a bad thing. You shouldn't do that. Fine. Next, decide the points which you want to draft. Yeah, generally what I used to do in my examination, yeah, on one side, one corner of the answer paper, with a small, like what I wanted to write for this, what all points I wanted to cover. Maybe in 1, 2, 3 words, that's it. 1, 2, 3 points I will write it. Suppose I'll sometime what happens, like when I'm reading the question, I'll get to know, yeah, this standard should be linked with the other standard, or this standard should be linked with some section or something like that. Got my point? Yeah, just immediately I'll just write little on the what is that, some corner of your answer paper. It doesn't matter. It is just you're writing some rough. Nothing wrong. You're not going to, I mean, they're not going to take out marks from for your writing side may something. Nothing like that, my dear. Right. You have clarity in mind before you want what you wanted to link it, what you wanted to draft it.